Now one important thing to note here is the direction of the rotating magnetic field. Okay. In the last lecture we have seen that for this configuration, right, that means after A in the clockwise sense if you go, after 120 degrees you have B, further after 120 degrees you have C in the clockwise sense. And in that case we have got the direction of magnetic fields like this. Okay. And what was the direction of the the rotating magnetic field? It was in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction of RMF. Okay. That means H net, what that we have discussed. H net is what? HA bar plus HB bar plus HC bar. So this we have seen mathematically that it was in the clockwise direction. Okay. Refer the previous lecture if you have any doubt. Now, what if we want in the counterclockwise sense? We can make that by reversing the sense of these windings. See, in the clockwise sense if you go, you're getting ABC sequence. Now in the counterclockwise if you go, you should get the ABC sequence. That is the changing of magnetic field direction. So that means we have A and A dash here as it is. Now instead of B we have C here, and this is going to be C dash, and this is going to be B, this is going to be B dash. So now this magnetic field HA will remain as it is because coil A we have not changed, whereas this will become HC dash now. Okay, so this will become HB dash. This is HC and this is HB. So you can write here HC and HB bar. And now if you find out the net magnetic field intensity, H net, this you are going to get in the direction of counterclockwise sense. Okay.